The first thing that one needs to realize is that the baya of Ahmadjan Thirakwa is much different than the baya of all other tabla players, both in terms of it being struck, the way in which it is struck, and the position of the hand while playing it. We have to understand the hammer rule. That is, we need to, in order to percuss the instrument, there are two ways. Either you keep the hand like this and then percuss. So the hand gets locked from the wrist onwards. This is how generally the baya is played. However, with Ahmadjan Thirakwa, the baya is, the wrist is not, or the palm, the bottom of the palm is not placed on the dagga. It is free. So from here, you have a fulcrum. So it is percussed like this. Now, in the case of all tabla players, when they play the baya, suppose you have to say dha, so they say dha. So this hand gets locked. The same bowl, when Ahmadjan Thirakwa plays, he says, or it is dha. It is dha. The a is resonated by the baya, not the consonant dha. Therefore, he generally used to check his baya in this way. There is a laggi which shows the use of both these fingers, one and this, or these two. These two, with normal players, this is not played with the same strength as this. However, with Ahmadjan Thirakwa, both these fingers are played with the same efficiency, and both are used while playing the compositions. You have a special laggi to really manipulate these two uniformly across the board, just as with the daya fingers, these two fingers, the same is true with these two fingers too. So you have a laggi which is ghegenaka ghinna dhati, ghegenaka ghinna dhati, ghegenaka ghinna dhati, ghegenaka ghinna dhati. Again, ghegenaka ghinna dhati, ghegenaka ghinna dhati, ghegenaka ghinna dhati, ghegenaka ghinna dhati. It is played alternately with these two fingers, like ghegenaka ghinna dhati, 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 which will be ghegenaka ghinna dhati, ghegenaka ghinna dhati, So you need to understand that if anybody wants to work on Ahmadjan Thirakwa, these things are very important, especially the baya.